Hi guys, welcome to my plant story. Today I'm going to repot a neon pothos. I have kept it in the same pot from the nursery which I bought from almost 2 months now. So I thought it's time to repot them. Look at that color. I am in love with this color. I'll be using here 50% potting mix, 20% organic compost, 20% perlite and 10% neem powder. Let's give them all a good mixture. I generally use this mixture for all my indoor and outdoor plants, and my plants are doing quite well with this combination. I'll be using this cute pink planter. It's a small size planter. It has 4 drainage holes, so I don't have to worry about the water clogging. So let's get started with planting. I'll first remove the pothos from the existing pot. It has a very good root system, so I don't have to worry much about the plant. I'll add a layer of soil and then plant the pothos and then add the second layer of the soil. Give good water to the plant until the soil could set and I could check the drainage is working fine. I'm adding some white stones to it, which is completely optional. Completes the repotting. Do let me know in the comment section if you like this combination of planter and plant. So see you in the next video. Until then, happy planting.